Hello and welcome. My name is Shannon Cahill, and today I'll be sharing some information about Surface's Trinity Protein Repair Tonic. Surface is high-performance, salon-exclusive hair care that respects personal health and the earth. Trinity's Protein Repair Tonic is by far one of my favorite products from Surface, and I'm so excited to be here today to share all the amazing things you can do with this product. Trinity Protein Repair Tonic is infused with the Color Vita Complex. This means your hair is getting UV, environment, and chemical protection, as well as intense cuticle reinforcement and color retention. Amaranth, soy, and cannabis ketonic proteins penetrate, repair, condition, shine, and protect. Now, let's talk about Trinity Protein Repair Tonic uses for in the salon. This product works great as a cutting lotion for those guests with fine textured hair, as well as a color booster and bleach buffer. When using as a color booster, just add 1/4 ounce into your color formulas. This will not affect processing, but will increase color shine, depth, even deposit, and longevity. When using as a bleach buffer, again add 1/4 ounce. This will protect the hair as it decolorizes. Let's not forget about those harsh chemical services that we do. Mix Trinity Protein Repair Tonic into the hair before wrapping your perms to protect and repair while processing, and also to help control hair during wrapping. After rinsing out the waving lotion, mix the protein repair spray into the hair and make sure not to blot. Wait 2 minutes and apply neutralizer and process as per manufacturer's directions. The Protein Repair Tonic also works great as a color filler. Spray into damp or dry hair and apply color over Repair Tonic. This will not affect timing, but will increase color shine, depth, even deposit, and longevity. Also, misting into the hair to prep for a color service helps to save color usage in the salon. The Trinity Protein Repair Tonic also plays a huge role in the Trinity volume treatment. It helps increase diameter of hair up to 100%. I don't know about you, but I think that's pretty amazing. The gluten-free Trinity Protein Complex featuring amaranth, soy, and cannabis thickens and strengthens the finest of hair while leaving it flexible and never over-keratinized. Today, I will be demonstrating how to press the Protein Repair Tonic into the hair. After shampooing and conditioning the hair with Trinity Shampoo and Conditioner, apply 1 shot to the hair and proceed with the blow dry. Today, I have Kristen here to help us demonstrate that for you. Her hair is of a finer texture, but she has a lot of it. She's many previous highlights underneath this color, and she comes in on a regular basis. So she's definitely a wonderful candidate for this. First, you have to part off the hair in 1/4 sections. Clip away with your surface comb. Take the excess hair and mist over with the Trinity Protein Tonic. And then I like to always comb through with my foiling comb. And then we will apply heat with our flat iron from root to ends. This will fully penetrate that product into the hair. Ignore the steam that comes off, it's completely normal. It's just the product going into that hair and making it stronger, thicker, and healthier. The results you can see after the first treatment. And after doing this to the rest of the hair, she will feel and see a huge difference in her hair. Thank you so much for your time today, Kristen. Now, let's move on to the wonderful reasons why to send Trinity Protein Repair Tonic home with your guests. The Protein Repair Tonic makes an amazing leave-in reconstructor and conditioner. Using this on a daily basis will only add strength, protect hair from sun and environment, and maximize repair when heat styled into the hair. Therefore, when your guests come to their next visit, they will be praising you for transforming their hair. This product will be on all your guest shelves that have fine and medium hair, no exceptions. When they use this at home as a thermal press and a detangle mist before combing, it will only protect the hair from breakage and give it maximal strength. Also, be sure to let your guests know that a light mist over the face after makeup application sets the makeup for long-lasting wear. Also a great idea for in the salon for those crazy wedding parties and prom girls. As you may have realized already, the Trinity Protein Tonic is extremely versatile and can be used in and out of the salon. It's a product you can recommend to all of your guests in the salon and a product you should definitely be able to find in your color bar. I hope all the information I shared with you today can help you be more confident using Trinity in the salon and better recommending it to all of your guests. Again, my name is Shannon Cahill and this is the Trinity Protein Repair Tonic. Have a beautiful and healthy day. Thank you.